Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 2.6. First question, expand the following by using binomial theorem. And that second subdivision, x plus 1 by y the whole power 7. So your formula is x plus a the whole power n is equal to nc0 x power n into a power the 0. Okay, so a power 0. Then plus, since you have got plus for all the terms, you can give plus itself. So plus, next will be nc1. Okay, nc0 is over. So next is nc1 x power this n and this 1 you will have to subtract it. So n minus 1. Then a power, write only this one. So a power 1. The next term will be, we have completed nc1. So nc2 x power this n and 2 you will have to subtract it. So n minus 2 a power only this 2 plus etc. Your middle term is NCR x power this n and r you will have to subtract it. So n minus r a power only this r plus again etc. plus your last term is NCN x power n minus n. Okay, so you can give 0 a power this n. So now you will have to substitute all these values in this formula. Okay, first we will just write the value. Here x is, here x only. Okay, so x is, in your question also you got x, but in the place of a you got 1 by y. So a is equal to 1 by y, and in the place of n we have got 7, therefore n is equal to 7. Now go for your substitution. Here your x is x only. Okay, so x plus, in the place of a you have got 1 by y the whole power, in the place of n we have got 7. So that is equal to, your question, your left hand side of your question will be replaced. Now you will have to substitute it here. Okay, so in the place of n you will get 7 c0. In the place of x we have got x only, so x power n is 7. In the place of a we have got 1 by y, so 1 by y whole power this 0. So now next term is 7c0 we have started. So next we will have to go to 7c1 x power 7 minus 1. Okay, so it is 6. Again 1 by y power. Since you have given 0, you can increase 1. Otherwise just see this 1 and write it here 1. Both you can do it. Okay, plus again your next term will be 7c1 is over. So 7c2 x power 7 minus 2 you will get 5. Again 1 by y power this 2. So you can write power 2. Then plus 7c2 is over. 7c3 again x power. Here you will get 7 minus 3 is 4. Again 1 by y the whole power. Here 3 we have got, so write that 3 here. Okay, your next term is 7c3 is over. So 7c4 x power 7 minus 4 will be 3 into 1 by y power this 4 as it is, plus 7c5, 4 is over. So 7c5 x power 7 minus 5 is 2 into 1 by y power this 5 as it is, plus 7c6, 5 is over. So 7c6 x power, this is 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 by y power this 6, plus last term we have completed up to 6. Okay, so last will be 7c7 x power 0, because 7 minus 7 will become 0, 1 by y power you will get this 7. So till you get your 7c7, starting with your 7c0 till you get your 7c7 you will have to proceed it. The next step of solving. So first we will just do the NCR factors only, we will just solve it. Okay, so I'll just write the 7c0 as it is. X power 7, this is 1 by whole power 0, you can write it as 1 itself, because e power 0 or anything to the power 0 will be 1. So only that I am just converting it, plus this 7c1 is there as it is. X power 6 into 1 by y, the whole power 1, so I will just leave it as 1 by y, plus 7c2 is there as it is, x power 5, 1 by, this will become y square. You can bring it to the denominator. Plus 7c3 will be there as it is, x power 4 into 1 divided by y cube, we can bring it to the denominator. Then plus, now what I am going to do is, here 7c4 is there. Now this is a big term, so we'll just convert using this formula to a small one, okay. So 7c4 means you can write it as 7c, 7 minus 4. So that is equal to 7c, it will become 3. This is all you have done in your combination, okay. Just convert it to a smaller term. So 7c4 is equal to 7c3. So 7c4 we have got it as 7c3. So I'll just write it as 7c3 x cube into 1 by y power 4. 4 you can take it to the denominator. Plus same way again 7c5, it is a bigger term. So convert it into smaller one. 7c5 means 7c 7 minus 5. So that is equal to 7c2 it will become. So in the place of 7c5 you can write it as 7c2 x square. This x square is there as it is. And this is 1 by y power 5. 5 you can take to the denominator. Plus your next 7c6, it is a bigger term. So you can write it as 7c6 is equal to 7c 7 minus 6, that is equal to 7c1. So in the place of 7c6, I'll just write it as 7c1 x power 1, I'll just leave it as x, and this is 1 divided by y power 6. So take it to the denominator, so it will become 1 by y power 6. Now your 7c7 is there as it is. X power 0, anything to the power 0, it will become 1. But only this term will be there. So 1 by y power, this 7 is there. So I can take to the denominator. So which is equal to 7c0. Now the values are here. nc0 means you can write 1. So 7c0 also will become 1 into this x power 7. Again 1 is there, so we can remove that. Plus now your 7c1. So that is nc1 is equal to n. So if you get 7c1 means 7 x power 6 divided by this 5. I'll just bring it together. Okay. Next is we have got 7c2. So we'll just find it here. 7 into 2 is there. Okay. So 2 terms down divided by starting with 2. So 2 into 1. So you can cross out this. You'll get your 3 over there. 7 3s are 21. So 21. This x power 5 divided by, I'll just bring it together, y square. Plus next is 7c3, we'll have to find it. So 7 into 6 into 5. 3 is there, okay. So 3 terms down divided by starting with 3. So 3 into 2 into 1. You can cancel this 3 2s are 6 with this 6. So we'll get 7 5s are 35. So 35, this x power 4 is there, divided by y cube, plus again 7c3 only. We have got here it's a 7c3, that value is 35, we got it. So here also again 7c3, so I can replace 35. This is x cube divided by this y power 4. Plus now 7c2, already on top we have got 7c2. The value we have found is 21. So you can write it as 21. This x square is there divided by y power 5. Plus 7c1. Go to your formula, that is nc1 is equal to n itself. So I will get 7c1 means 7 itself into x divided by this y power 6. Plus your last term 7c7, again get back to your formula, ncn is equal to 1. Therefore 7c7, in the place of n we have got both 7, okay. So answer is 1. So 1 into 1 by y power 7, which is equal to, your last step of solving is 1 into x power 7 is x power 7. Plus this as it is, okay. So 7x power 6 divided by y. Plus this is 21 x power 5 divided by y square, plus 35 x power 4 divided by y cube plus again this term. So 35 x cube divided by y power 4 plus this term. So that is 21 x square divided by y power 5 plus 7x divided by this term. Okay, so 7x divided by y power 6 plus 1 into 1 by y power 7, so it will become 1 by y power 7. So this is the answer for your first question, second subdivision.